Okay, so I decided that I'm gonna do an unboxing of my spider costume. Oh, this is my puppy Ramus Lupin. Hence, I'm a Harry Potter fan, and a huge Spider-Man fan, and a Batman fan, and a Pokemon fan. So I love fandoms. I ordered off of ZentaiZone the Iron Spider-Man, so this is what I'm hoping is it. If it is, it is, I'm just too excited. It showed up like a whole week and a half early, because it said 2 weeks, and it has always been 2 weeks. I don't know, it's just shown up. So let's open it up. I'm gonna get my scissors. Okay. Is it recording? It says it is. Okay. Alright, let's open this puppy out. I'm just too excited. I want to like... Ramus, they make this hard to open. I mean, it's a good thing they do because I don't want to lose anything in it. So we're going to do this. There we go. Okay, so there it is, ZentaiZone, and I'm so excited. Oh, it's a nice bag. So I watched other people doing unboxing, and they're like, "This is the cool bag that you put it in." Pretty cool bag. Okay. Right. Okay, this is it. I'm gonna try it on. Okay, I'm in it. So I'm looking at what I ordered, because the only thing is it has a headpiece, and I didn't order that. I don't remember. I thought that was off, so I'm gonna have my friend alter it for me. But so I just tucked it in. But other than that, it fits. It fits perfectly. So I'm just gonna fix this part right here because it's a full-on headpiece, and I thought I just got that, but I'm not too upset, and it got here, so he can fix it. He's good at sewing, so not worried. But it fits perfectly. I'll stand up in it. So the only thing that because I was like online looking at other people's profiles and like what they had and like all that fun stuff. I'm not sure if it's showing me. Is they never said how big they are. So I am 5'7.5", and I'm 130 pounds. So yeah, and this is me, and then I did all the measurements. I did the like ew, that's a dead fly. Yeah, I know. I did all the like measurements and the like having it tailored to myself, and I'm so excited. Sorry, I'm like throwing my butt, making sure. I did not put any shoes in mine because I'm going to be wearing Heelys for my costume, and then my hair is going to be braided back. Comic-Con is next week, and I have my costume here this week. I thought I was actually going to get it like 2 days beforehand. So mine has the hidden zipper in the back. This is going to be fixed because I can't have a mask. I didn't get a mask, so I don't like stuff over my face. So that's why I didn't get it. So I'm kind of a little shocked that it's on there, but only a little shocker. I got zipper wrists. I'm gonna have to practice with them because I can't feel the ends of my fingers. Like zipping this up was a hard thing because I had to unzip this, but my friend's like, get the one with the hand zippers so I could get them in and out and eat, because this is actually very hard to do. I don't even know if I can touch things with it. Oh, I can. Hence my phone. My favorite color is not red. It is actually blue, but I'm testing it. I can feel my finger. Oh, it can. Sick. I'm not sure if I'm. So this is it. I got the Iron Spider. Because that was what I wanted. I was gonna get Miles, but I decided I just wanted to go with this one, and I'm loving it. I didn't get any detail stuff on it because I can do that all myself. But with the time that I have, I might just wear it like this. But yeah, ZentaiZone is what I got it from. And I'm so excited. I cannot wait. I've literally wanted to be Spider-Man for the longest time. And now, my dream has come true. So this is all the fun little things with it. All the artwork and the detail. It's a little big down here, but I will be wearing shoes, so you won't be able to see. Yeah, I didn't get any ninja shoes because I wanted to wear my own shoes. Yeah, I didn't have to put shoes on that one. But everything fits perfectly. And since I do a lot of dance, I wanted this to be like very movable. I was afraid it would be too tight, and it's not. I can touch my toes, so I don't have to worry. But I love it. I'm so excited, and yes! Testing this out. Does that show fully me? Yeah, it does. Okay. We're gonna rotate it because I need to sit on my bed for this one.